Qualifications. As we all know that all schools need to have qualified teachers. Usually at master level, the teachers have more trend of gaining academic qualifications, rather professional qualifications in the context of Pakistan. In other countries, usually with the academic qualifications, it is compulsory to have the professional qualification as well. But unfortunately, in Pakistan, for the career and profession of teaching, there is no compulsion to have professional qualification. And that brings all the misery to the education system. It is very good that the teachers, they do their masters and then go for teaching. There is no doubt about the qualification of masters, but then the professional qualification is more important to join a certain occupation. It is compulsory that since teaching is a profession, it is a skill and an art, and therefore it needs to have the qualifications and the professional abilities to conduct the duties in order to have the skills implemented in the right direction. This might be due to having more opportunities to find other jobs. So why do people consider doing their masters and just joining the teaching profession and not going for any professional qualification? Because they have in mind that we will do our masters and then apply for all the jobs which are possible, or for the jobs where the criteria for recruitment is masters. So in any case, if they will get a job in any other section or in any other department, they wouldn't mind joining that because they have not gone for any professional development. They have not gone for any professional qualification. So that is why they just do their MA or masters and then apply for different various kinds of jobs and just join the one which is offered to them. If they would do a professional qualification for teaching, that means they will be restricted for teaching, and that is the risk they don't want to take. They want to do their masters and apply for more and more jobs, and as soon as they are selected for one, they can become one. So that means that any person who wants to become a teacher has not really determined to become a teacher. It is just by chance that he or she gets the job of a teacher because she has done an MA, and therefore she or he can join as a teacher without having any professional qualification, which is very important so that the skills of teaching are learned. Subject teachers are mostly hired for secondary school teaching. Also, it is not a very good practice to hire teachers in the primary school without having any specialization. For example, postgraduate certificate in teaching is given in the West in order to enable the students to join the teaching career and thus have a professional qualification. But this postgraduate certificate in education is also then divided into primary education, secondary education, tertiary education, or elementary education. So the people who are going for primary education will go for PGCE in the primary section. So they will get the skills of teaching in a primary section, and that is the training and the professional course that they are doing in order to become teachers. And while they are doing it, most of them, they do get offers in the schools because the schools are aware that they are already working in the direction of gaining the skills as a teacher for the primary school. Or if they are doing a PGCE in secondary school, that means they are being trained to teach in a secondary school. Therefore, the schools who would be offering them jobs are very sure that these are the teachers who have taken interest to become teachers and have learned the skills professionally to become a teacher. So they do not have any problems when they are asked to join the schools, because they are already trained in that area and they know how to do their job well.